Hi guys, let's talk about one of the tricky triangles that you have in hernias, and that are your lumbar triangles. Now you have two lumbar triangles. One, we call it as the superior lumbar triangle. This is your superior lumbar triangle. Now this superior lumbar triangle is also referred to as the Greinfeld triangle. Is also referred to as the Greinfeld triangle. Another triangle that you have is your inferior lumbar triangle. You have the inferior lumbar triangle, and this inferior lumbar triangle is also referred to as the triangle of Petit, or commonly called as the Petit's triangle. So what are these boundaries which are made up of, right? Now when you talk about the superior lumbar triangle, now the boundaries are pretty clear. It is formed by, on the superior aspect, this is by the 12th rib or inferior border of the 12th rib. Now this muscle that you see, this is your internal oblique muscle, and medially you see another set of muscles that are present. Now this is going to be your quadratus lumborum. This is your quadratus lumborum and your erector spinae. Right? So these are the two muscles which forms the medial boundary or the medial end, right? So 12th is going to be superior, internal oblique is going to be lateral, your quadratus lumborum is going to be your medial boundary. Inferior lumbar triangle, on the other hand, you can see it is formed, this is the triangle that is your inferior lumbar triangle is made up of, right? Now in the inferior lumbar triangle, the lateral boundary that is formed here, it is formed by your external oblique muscle. The medial boundary that is formed here, which is formed by another set of muscle, which you can see, this is your latissimus dorsi. This is formed by your latissimus dorsi muscle, and the inferior one, it is formed by your iliac crest. It is formed by your iliac crest. So latissimus forms your medial boundary. Lateral boundary is by external oblique muscles, and the inferior boundary is by your iliac crest. And this is your lumbar triangle, the site for your lumbar hernia. Remember the surgery's name, Daud Ponkas repair. Right? That's it from the triangular component.